In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to add API integrations in Base44 Apps Backend in 2026. We'll walk through adding an integration to your app's backend and give you context, so everything makes sense as you go. Start by opening the Base44 web app and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so you see the apps you expect. From the main navigation, head to the Apps section. This is where all your projects live, and it's the hub for configuring anything related to each app. Pick the app you want to work on. If you manage multiple environments, double check you're in the right one, like development or production, before you continue. Once inside your app, go to the dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your control center, where you can access backend settings, data, and connections. Next, open the integrations area. In some places, you might see this referred to as app connections. This is where Base44 organizes official connectors and custom options for linking external services. You'll see a catalog of integrations you can add, browse, or use search to find the service you want. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to glance at the integration's details to understand its authentication method and any required permissions. When you've found the one you need, click Use. This action attaches the connector to your app so you can configure it. You'll then be prompted to choose the specific function you want to add. Functions are predefined actions or triggers, such as sending data to a webhook, fetching records from an external API, or updating a resource. Pick the function that matches your use case and review the fields it requires. After selecting the function, provide your API or webhook details. This typically includes the endpoint URL, HTTP method headers, and request body. For security, store secrets in environment variables or the platform's secure storage rather than hard-coding them. Never expose tokens or keys in logs or front-end code. If the integration supports test values, use them now to validate your setup safely. When your configuration looks right, click Send to test the request. Watch the response panel for status codes and messages. A successful response usually returns a 2xxe status. If you see errors, check authentication, verify required fields, confirm the payload format, and try again. Once you get the expected result, save your configuration so it's ready for use in your app's workflows, and that's your complete pass. Open the app, go to integrations, choose the connector, set the function, add your API or webhook, and send a test. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.